You all know that selling flashcards on Etsy is one of the most profitable digital product categories out there because parents, especially moms, are always looking for educational flashcards for their children. And right now, there are probably a couple of important questions running through your mind. How can we design professional quality flashcards easily using AI? And the second question, what flashcard niches have high demand right now, while still having relatively low competition? The answer is actually much simpler than you might think. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create highly professional flashcards using artificial intelligence with just one click. And that's not all. I've also prepared a special file for you that contains more than 50 flashcard niches that are generating strong sales, have high demand, and still offer lower competition opportunities. But I didn't stop there. I also created a powerful master prompt that you can use to generate these flashcards with AI automatically. All you need to do is enter the niche name into the master prompt, and with a single click, it will generate everything for you. And believe it or not, I still wasn't finished helping you. I also created another master prompt specifically designed to generate a promotional educational video for the flashcards that you create. This means you can easily publish those videos on social media and potentially attract a lot more attention and sales. If you'd like to get this file, just let me know in the comments and I'll send it to you as I always do. As usual, I'm going to guide you through the entire process from start to finish, beginning with finding profitable niches, then designing the flashcards, and finally, creating a promotional video for those flashcards using AI. For this tutorial, we're going to use the amazing Abacus AI platform. The reason I chose this platform is because it's incredibly powerful, smart, and all-in-one. Inside Abacus AI, you can build AI-powered applications, create images using the latest AI models, generate videos, and even convert text into speech using cutting-edge AI technology. And if you'd like to see it, let me know in the comments, and in a future video, we can even build a complete kids activity app using this platform. But that's still not the most impressive part for me. What truly amazed me is that you can generate an entire book with just a single click. Yes, an entire book. How does that work? You're going to learn exactly how today. When you enter the chat area, you'll notice several options available to you: chat, agent, and auto. Personally, I always prefer leaving it set to auto because the platform automatically chooses the most accurate mode for your specific request. You'll also notice the AI model selection area. I recommend leaving it set to Route LLM because it automatically selects the most suitable AI model for the project you're working on. This allows you to focus on creating and building your products instead of spending time trying to figure out which AI model is the best choice. And that's exactly what makes this platform such a powerful tool for anyone creating digital products and educational resources using artificial intelligence. Now, to start creating our flashcards, all we need to do is go back to the file and choose any niche from these 50 niches. Every single one of them has profit potential, and honestly, I hope you eventually create products for all of them. What I'm going to do now is scroll down a little, copy the entire master prompt, and then head back over to the Abacus AI platform. By the way, the link to Abacus AI is available in both the pinned comment and the video description. If you'd like to get a significant discount, make sure to use the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Once I'm back inside the platform, I'll simply paste the master prompt right here. Next, I'll return to the file one more time and copy the niche that we're going to use for this project. For this video, let's choose the niche called Animals, Habitats, Flashcards. After that, I'll go back to Abacus AI and insert the niche name into the prompt. Then, just like before, I'll leave the mode set to auto, and I'll also keep the model selection on Route LLM, so the platform can automatically choose the most suitable AI agent for this specific project. Another really useful feature is that if you already have a flashcard design that you like and want to recreate something similar, you can simply click this plus icon and upload the image. The AI can then use it as a reference and generate a similar style for your new flashcards. That's a huge time saver. Once everything is ready, I'll click this arrow button to begin the creation process. Within seconds, you'll notice that Abacus AI starts analyzing the niche automatically. This is a very important step. I highly recommend reading this analysis carefully and reviewing everything in detail before moving forward. After the analysis is complete, the platform will ask if everything looks good. If you're satisfied, all you need to do is type "Go ahead." This step is extremely important because it helps reduce mistakes. If you notice anything that needs to be changed, you can make those adjustments before the AI starts generating images. This can save you a lot of credits and prevent unnecessary revisions later. Looking at the analysis, everything seems perfectly fine to me, so I'm simply going to tell it to continue. And within seconds, the platform informs us that it is going to generate all 20 flashcards at the same time. That is absolutely incredible. Honestly, this is something I haven't seen many other platforms do this well. The ability to generate such a large number of high-quality images in a single batch is extremely impressive. And now you can probably see why I said earlier that creating an entire book with just one click is absolutely possible. The generation process has now started, and as you can see, the platform is creating the pages with a very professional level of quality and consistency. I have to admit, I'm genuinely impressed by what it's producing. The speed, the organization, and the overall quality are outstanding. So now, let's take a look at the final results together, my friend, and see exactly what Abacus AI has created for us. I think you're going to be very impressed with what you're about to see. As you can see, the results are absolutely amazing. Every single page looks fantastic. The AI has correctly added the name of the animal along with the name of the habitat where that animal lives. These are incredibly valuable flashcards for children because they help kids learn animal names while also learning about different environments and habitats at the same time. Another thing I really like is the consistency across all the pages. Every flashcard follows the same professional style and design, which means you can package them together as a complete product and sell them professionally. This is exactly what buyers are looking for, a product that feels organized, polished, and high quality. If you'd like to download the pages, you can simply click the download button located at the top right corner. Now, just as I promised earlier, we're not going to stop here. Creating the flashcards is only part of the process. We can also create a professional promotional video for these flashcards so we can share it on social media. This gives us two powerful opportunities at the same time. We can potentially earn from views and engagement while also attracting more visitors and buyers to our product listings. To do that, I'll go back to the file one more time and copy the video prompt. You'll find it near the end of the document. Then, I'll return to the exact same chat. One thing I really love about this platform is how organized and simple everything is. We don't need to jump between different pages or complicated menus. Everything can be done from a single workspace and within the same chat conversation. I'll paste the video prompt here, and within seconds, you'll notice that the platform starts analyzing the request and preparing a highly professional promotional video. For image generation, it uses GPT Image 2, and for video generation, it uses Cdance 2. These are among the newest and most advanced models available for creating AI images and videos today. Because it's using such powerful models, the results are impressive right from the start. So don't worry about quality. The platform is built to deliver professional results. And now, let's take a look at the final video together.
Camel desert. Can you say it? Camels live in hot deserts. Great job. Rabbit meadow. Can you say it? Rabbits hop in meadows. That's correct. Owl forest. Can you say it? Owls live in forests. Let's remember that. Frog pond. Can you say it? Frogs swim in ponds. Great job. Crocodile swamp. Can you say it? Crocodiles live in swamps. That's correct. Fantastic work. Today we learned about amazing animals. See you next time.
As you can see, the video looks incredible. It's highly educational, visually engaging, and professionally structured. I'm convinced that content like this can attract a lot of attention on social media because it combines education, entertainment, and eye-catching visuals in a way that keeps viewers interested. I truly hope you found value in this video because my goal is to make creating children's books, educational resources, and activity products as easy as possible for you. As you've seen throughout this tutorial, with just a few clicks, you can go from a simple niche idea to a complete set of flashcards and even a promotional video ready for marketing. And remember, Abacus AI includes many other powerful features beyond what we covered today. From building AI applications and generating images to automating tasks and accessing its powerful supercomputer capabilities, there's a lot more to explore. I'm sure we'll create more videos in the future covering additional features and advanced workflows available inside this platform. Thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely hope this tutorial helped you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.